Welcome to my Ramadan special make and store recipe part 1. Today I am making crispy veg spring rolls that you can prepare in advance and store easily. Let's start with the recipe. At first we will prepare the filling. For that, chop vegetables of your choice and prepare a quick sauce mix with tomato ketchup, soya sauce, red chili sauce and Szechuan chutney and keep it aside for later use. This small tricks changes everything. Then heat some oil in a pan, add chopped ginger garlic and saute for a few seconds. Now add thinly sliced onion, carrot, capsicum, cabbage and spring onion. Cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. We want the vegetables to be crunchy, not soft. Add salt, black pepper and red chili powder. Then mix well. If you don't like, you can skip red chili here. Then add the prepared sauce mix. Mix well and cook until the vegetables are slightly soft but still crunchy. Turn off the flame and let the filling cool completely. Now we will prepare the sheet. First, in a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour and half cup corn flour and a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil and half cup of milk. Add water gradually and make a smooth lump-free batter. Lump-free batter is the key to perfect sheets. If you want, you can strain the batter after mixing. The batter should be slightly thin and flowy consistency. Now heat a non-stick pan on low flame, lightly grease it. Pour a little batter and spread very thin. Cook on low flame until the edges start lifting. Flip it and cook the other side for 2 to 3 seconds. Not more than that. Don't skip this step. This is very important to prevent sticking of seeds. Carefully remove the sheet and repeat the same process. Perfect homemade spring roll sheets are ready. It's time to roll our spring rolls. Take one homemade sheet, add the filling on one side, fold the sides inward, roll tightly but gently as loose rolls will open while frying, and seal the edges with the flour paste. With that, you have made a perfect spring roll. Repeat the same process with the remaining sheets. You can fry them immediately or store for later. For storing, arrange the spring rolls in an airtight container and store in freezer for up to 1 month. Now you don't have to worry for the iftar. Your iftar snack is ready to be fried and served. Whenever you need, fry directly from frozen. Fry on medium flame until golden and crispy, and your iftar is sorted. Save this recipe and try it. Serve hot and enjoy. For part 2 of Ramadan special recipe, I am making chicken tikka crepe. Stay tuned. If you liked the recipe, do subscribe to my channel and come back for part 2. Thank you for watching.